you have a 1 here, something on the accessories terminal is giving you a command. In terms of the installation, it's pretty much the same. All the motors is just 4 screws on the floor, the chain brackets, and that's it. In the worst case scenario, Jesus is not opening in the right direction. So you just need to swap the 2 wires here, and that's it.
Hey guys, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment, and today I took 2 members of our sales team to go train at PPA America. PPA is the biggest gate operator manufacturer in Brazil, and now they are available in the US. It's a great brand, very innovative, tons of good ideas, and I'm super excited to share with you and my team everything about it.
Today we're gonna focus on, as I already Alex says, on the residential and the commercial equipment. Okay, this guy over here is for gates up to 3,500 pounds. Okay, it's a high cycling. It says 100 cycles per hour.
You consider a cycle a full open and a close.
Yeah,
that's one
full
cycle.
open. Yeah. The key features of PPA, or why you should use PPA, is basically the simplicity and how easy it is to set up the gate.
Yeah.
For us, it's more like comfort.
Comfort,
right. Speed. In terms of the installation, it's pretty much the same. All the motors is just 4 screws on the floor, the chain brackets, and that's it.
So as an installer, because I'm more of a sales, to be honest, you will always put these limits first, right? When you put your motor down, put your limits out, and then start running tests.
Exactly. When you press for the first time, automatically it will go to recognition.
Okay.
So the thing that you want to do is always have everything connected, everything finished, without any looser end around the area. Press plus, and the motor will do. So what you have here, I always like to offer the programmer as an interface to see what's going on the motor on real time. For example, a really common troubleshooting call, it will be, okay, Jesus, my customer has the gate open and it doesn't move to the closing.
Yeah.
So if you see the number 1, automatically hey, look into that side. That's where the issue is happening.
If you have a 1 here, something on the accessories terminal is giving you a command.
Battery backup?
This one, not yet.
Okay.
Not yet, but the whole structure is because we're going in that direction.
Sure.
We already have, the thing is with the United States, the only limitation that sometimes I have is the UL, So for the moment, I have UL, the Brutalle 3500 and the 1300. The only 2 that I have in UL at this time.
Oh.
The technology that the company, they do the pattern, this is under PPA's technology development, is JetFlex. What does JetFlex mean? Is the construction of the motor being a 3-phase operator. The motor is a 3-phase operator, but you are putting on 1 phase. How does it work, Jesus? Always the tech sides, they like to ask me about it. It's because all the electronics do the other phase of the motor. So this control board is an inverter. It's able to charge this capacitor to around 200 volts, and with that power, they move the motor.
So this motor could both be either single phase or 3-phase?
The construction of the motor is 3-phase. The board can work with 110 or 220.
Single phase.
Yeah. In general, you will have like the main display with all the access. You will have 1 command for closing. You will have 1 command for opening. The push button for both operations. 4-eye closing, 4-eye opening, and the F is radio frequencies. So it's now recording because it's the first command. I used to raise the motor, and now on this moment it's going to the opening. Independently if it's the real opening or not, the logic of the board is thinking, okay, I'm opening the gate, so it will go in slow speed.
Now if it's not opening, you can switch a wire to tell it what
That's
to do?
it. Just swap one of any of these 3 wires, you can swap it, and it will go to
So
the
if
opposite.
it's not going in the direction you need to go, just
You swap a wire so that the motor knows. Yeah.
So now I already have my limit recorded.
Oh yeah.
So if I press plus here or this remote, I think.
So this is the real speed.
Yeah. This is a real speed for UL.
Wow.
Yeah.
But you could go a lot faster.
Yeah, it can go faster, and if it's not UL, it will go slow stops. I mean, speed control. It's one of the reasons on why you need the physical stop, because that dragging at the end, if you don't have the physical stop, that goes directly to the anchors in the gate. You know.
It goes.
So with us, you have double safety. If you, for example, if the technicians likes to work with the limit switches, you can use it. If you don't like the limit switches and you just want to work with physical stops, you can use it. You know, it depends on what the customer like. So going back to the programmer, if you go to you will have these two arrows, left and right. If you go to the right, you will find programming control. This one is not programming here, but it's on the cube, but it doesn't matter. So you will have getting signal, and the time that you are getting the signal, if you press plus, it will record the motor, the remote.
The remote right there.
Yeah.
Getting the signal plus, that means add it.
Actually, we can do it. Plus once, control joint. It doesn't increase the number because already he knows this remote.
Understood. And here it will tell you how many you already have programmed at the
Yes.
time.
And how many can you program?
This board, it will carry up to 126.
Oh, that many.
Yeah, that many. So yeah, when we record the remotes, when we record the course, we can go to the right, and we can add automatic closing timer, so we can increase or decrease the time.
This is the
Wow.
automatic.
Yeah, so I can
The
get
maximum of.
the maximum is 240. I mean, will be 4 minutes.
A lot more than.
Yeah.
Let's match them at 90 seconds. Is it?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, around
Is
that.
the maximum? I don't
Yeah,
know.
almost sure it's 90.
So let's play 10 seconds.
Yeah, very easy.
Oh no, so I have over 30 plus functions that most of the time doesn't need just
Right.
they are just there, and if you need to maybe tie something specific things. But for example, on the one that the only few I will say, okay, it's okay to change. You have the ramps. The ramps is the slow speed area. So I can make the motor go slower, earlier, or closer to the limits.
I got it.
So Antonio and James, well, we talk a lot, but if you notice, we just spend like 2 minutes in the programming.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, in terms of programming, it's just for me just one button. If you use the programmer or if you use the logic board directly, it's the same. It's just one button. In the worst case scenario, it's not opening in the right direction. So you just need to swap the two wires here, and that's it. You record the limits again, and that's it. This screen in particular have a better definition than the programmer, but in a compact side.
Right.
If you press here, you go directly programming control, and you will
Oh, so what you do? This here was to disconnect this. This
from here.
I got it.
So
And
you
then
have
do it manually.
getting signal, control join, or getting signal. Okay, this one is already joined, and this one
So you got to.
getting signal.
Got it. So you got to choose which one of the two you're programming with.
Yeah, it
You
depends
can't
on.
be like here and then just jump over here. You got to disconnect.
No, the
Together.
display it goes on standby.
And everything we just went over would be exactly the same.
Exactly the same. The only thing that it changed is, I mean,
From
the
size.
capacity on terms of the strength and the structure.
But programming, blah, 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 blah.
It will be exactly the same. It's even the same board. Okay, so we changed something. We added one extra foot on the gate because the customer asked us to add more or change something in the travel. You just need to hold minus and plus. You have this timer here. It rests course. Okay.
And then do a sort of.
Yeah. Again. Yeah. On terms of speed, this is the faster that you can reach.
In you out.
On UL. Yeah.
Which is very fast.
In
Normal speed, 1 feet per second, but you can go is around 72 hertz.
Okay.
This can go up to 150, which means twice. So 2 feet per second.
And still you up.
And something that everybody love, it is these trays here. I mean, right now because of the mounting that we already have by one of the technicians, they made us this mounting, but this is a tray, so you can pull out this tray and have a better access to the screws.
Yeah.
The same with
So easy to get in.
the same with the operator.
So everything comes in there.
Yeah. You will have here the change, the photo eye, the installation kit, the remote, two remotes.
In this function, if you don't know what type of photo eye you have, go here and press plus.
And then we'll do it for
Okay, the board will read the inputs and know what type of photo eye is in there. So any photo eye will work here.
Oh, okay, that's good to know.
Okay, we have the way to program is independent for both. So you
Okay.
can work with resistor and opening photo eye and pulsing in the closing photo eye.
Is this your smallest engine? Your smallest motor?
Yeah,
You will,
yes.
Well, okay. And what's
No,
the
you
max
will.
on this? Is it 800?
This 1300.
1300?
Oh, okay.
1300 pounds.
This is the one that I keep saying is the
Yeah, and no limits, restriction. It's basically how long you want to make it.
Actually, we have
A restriction on time.
yeah, because in here we measured the processor is measuring the temperature in here.
Okay.
Okay, if the temperature rise, they cut the board.
Oh.
Okay, so what we did, the operator works like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, then turn off. Okay, but 2.5 minutes in 2 feet per second is a huge game.
Yeah, so it will never become an issue.
Exactly.
Yeah.